Good afternoon, good morning. We are off. We visited our family for a few days, which was great. We're gonna head down to Jacksonville, Florida. We just got camp set up.
Space is open to us now, and our eagerness to share its meaning is not governed by the efforts of others. We go into space because whatever mankind must undertake, free men must fully share.
10, 9, 8. Good morning. We are taking off relatively early because, well, we're gonna go do something pretty cool. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So today we drove 2 hours down to, I think it's like near Orlando, in order to see this space launch. That's gonna do a test flight, and they're headed to the International Space Center for 1 week. And when we were down here, I just had this idea. It would just pop in my head that like maybe we should go see if there's a launch. And sure enough, this launch was happening. It's been delayed 2 times. This is the 3rd attempt, but it's one of those moments in your life to be able to see 2 people get into a rocket and fly to space. And I remember my dad always wanting to see something like this, and I wanted to share it with my son because I think it's important. I mean, you're literally strapping people to a rocket and sending them upstairs, and that's absolutely wild to me. So I thought 2-hour drive for once in a lifetime opportunity to see a rocket fly up into space, why the hell not? It's inspirational. It's a moment in your life that you won't ever forget.
Steiner, go. Launch director. You have permission to launch. Proceed with the count.
You're in Yeah. The ground about to shake. That's so cool.
It does.
Why is it weird?
Wow. Probably because of curvature. was pretty spectacular. That was absolutely wild. It, Chase. Inside your eye. What'd you think, buddy?
Good.
What'd you think about the rocket?
Good.
Can you imagine 2 people were on that?
Yeah.
Pretty crazy, huh?
I see it from me looking up in the sky.
Looking up into the sun.
You got
Why do you-
rocket dust in your eye.
Why don't you put your sunglasses on?
I'll have them with me.
Right here. What'd you think?
It was simply like, that was amazing. But it was louder than I expected. Happened a lot quicker too.
Caitlin goes, you got 4 minutes, you're good. So I'm setting up the camera, ready to get the perfect shot. Thank God I had the GoPro set. And I almost missed it. Pretty sure I might have missed it on this camera.
I missed it too.
Well worth the 2-hour drive?
Yeah. I don't know,
See,
the next time we'll see something like that again. I think it was amazing.
once in a lifetime. Pretty cool.
So cool.
2, 1, ignition, and liftoff of Starliner and Atlas V.